everyone, welcome to online classes. Today we shall discuss about the one more method of calculation of interest on drawings. In the previous class we shall discuss about the two methods of interest on drawings, that is the specific method or direct method. Second one is a product method. So in the product method we have to calculate interest on drawings by following two steps, that is calculation of total product, calculation of interest on drawings. In the product method, the partner has withdrawn different dates, the same amount, different dates with a different amount. During that time we have to calculate the interest on drawings, and also we have to calculate it if a partner has withdrawn the money in the beginning of the month, in the middle of the month, in the end of the month. In this manner also we have to calculate the interest on drawings. In this class we shall discuss about the one more method, that is average period method. So in this method also we have to calculate interest on drawings. It is also called as shortcut method. Interest is charged at a specific rate on total of monthly drawings of uniform intervals and uniform amount for a period which is the average of long period and the short period. This is the meaning of average period method. So this method is also one more name, that name is a shortcut method. Interest is charged at a specific rate. So they are given a particular rate of interest like 10%, 12%, 6%, 8%, like that they are given the specific rate on total monthly drawings. So here the person has withdrawn total monthly drawings. We should calculate interest based on total drawings, not for a monthly drawings. Monthly drawing of uniform intervals. So uniform is nothing but equal months of uniform amount, sometimes fixed amount they are given of a period which is average. The duration what we have to get, the duration will be considered as a average period. Average is nothing but the single task which should be divided into two equal manner. The distribution between the profit with a two equal manner, that manner will be called as a average period. So of long period and the short period, with the help of this method we have to calculate the interest on drawings under average period method. Now how to calculate interest on drawings? What are the steps we have to get? In the first method we won't have any step. In the second method we have two steps, but in the third method, average period method, we have three steps. Under this method, interest is charged or interest is calculated by the following steps. Three steps we have to consider. So under that, step number one, what it will say is calculation of average period. In the beginning itself, the step number one, we have to calculate the average period. How to calculate the average period? So for calculation of the average period, we have one particular formula. What is that means? Average period, AVG, is nothing but average period is equal. We want average period. For that say, we have to consider long period outstanding plus short period outstanding divided by 2. So this is the formula to calculate average period. Long period means if a partner has withdrawn beginning of the month to for 1 year basis is going to withdraw, means the duration, the date of drawings to the financial ending, the 12 months duration what we have to get, the 12 months will be considered as a long period. So out of the 12 months, short 30 days will be considered as a 1 month. That 1 month will be considered as a short period. By adding long period plus short period divided by 2 means we will get average period. Sometimes a partner has withdrawn end of the month to for one financial year. During that time, long period is 11 months we have to get. Short period means 0, because 30th April is withdrawn means that April month is a countless. So that April month will not be considered. So long period is 11 months plus short period is 0. 11 plus 0 divided by 2, we will get the average period. In sometimes the partner has withdrawn middle of the month means 15th of every month for up to 1 year duration they are given. So during that time long period is 11 months 15 days, that will be considered as 11.5 plus short period in the April we have only 15 days, so it will be considered as a 0.5. So by adding these two, then divide is divisible by 2, we will get the average period for 1 year basis. In some times the person has withdrawn for half year basis means, so beginning of the date is withdrawn for up to the half year means, so 6 months is the long duration, out of 6 1 is the short duration, 6 plus 1 7 divided by 2, the difference what we have to get, so 3.5, that will be considered as a average period. In some times the partner has withdrawn end of the month, up to 6 months duration they are given. During that time how to calculate the average period means, long period is 5, short period is 0 divided by 2. So 5 plus 0 means 5 will come, divided by 2 means it will come 2.5 is the average period. In sometimes the partner has withdrawn middle of the month, during that time up to 6 months they are given means 5.5 plus 0.5 divided by 2, we will get the average period is 6 divided by 2, 3 we have to get. So like that, in the step number 1 we have to calculate the total average period. This is the step number 1. Step number 2, calculation of total drawings. So in the step number 2 we won't consider product, we won't consider single drawing, we want to consider total drawing. So total drawings how to get means amount of drawings into number of months. Amount of drawings means the partner itself in the beginning itself they are given rupees 1000, he is withdrawn rupees 1500, he is withdrawn rupees 500 every month, like that they are given. During that time what the value is withdrawn, that amount will be considered as a amount of drawing into number of months. If it is a annual basis means 12 months we have to consider. If it is a half yearly basis means we should consider only 6 months. Whether maybe it withdrawn beginning, middle and whatever it may be, the number of duration annual means totally 12 months, monthly means half yearly means 6 months we have to consider. In the step number 3, calculation of interest on drawings, and finally we have to move to the step number 3. So how to calculate interest on drawings means, interest on drawings is equal total drawings that will be available in the step number 2 into average period that is available in the step number 1 into rate of interest which is available in our question into 1 by 12 is common value. With the help of this formula we have to calculate interest on drawings under average period method. So these are the 3 steps with which we have to calculate the interest on drawings. Let's come to one question by why we have to calculate interest on drawings under average period method. So just assume Mr. Raj, a partner has withdrawn rupees 1000 at the beginning of each month for the year ending 31st March 2020. Calculate interest on drawings at 12% per annum under average period method. Under average period method. So this is the question. So in this manner they are given in the examination point of view for 6 marks. Section C, they will ask for this question for 6 marks. We have to calculate interest on drawing under average period method. So method compulsorily is mentioned. Just analyze the question. What the things will be available in our question, which are the things which is not available in the question, how to move into the solution. So here Mr. Raj, he is a partner, has withdrawn rupees 1000. He is going to withdraw rupees 1000 at the beginning of every month. In this question also, he won't mention any particular date, but he is given a clue, that is beginning of each month for year ending 31st March 2020. So beginning of the year he won't mention, but he mentioned the end of the financial year, that is 31st March 2020. This means the accounting year will be begins from 1st April 2019 to 31st March 2020. This 12 months duration will be considered as a one financial year. Now calculate interest on drawings at 12% per annum. So rate of interest they are given 12%, per annum interest they are given. Now which method is applicable means under average period method. Whenever they will mention the average period method means it come to our mind, we have to calculate interest on drawings by following 3 steps. So first, this is the question we have to analyze.